What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute decorative wreath. What you will need is a grapevine wreath ring. This one is 18 inches in diameter. I also have some leaves. I bought these at Hobby Lobby. They were $2 I believe. Flowers of your choice. I decided to go with roses. These are from Michael's and I just cut the stem a little bit. And also ribbon. I decided to use burlap, and it's actually wire edged burlap, and I got this at Dollar Tree. You could also use like baby spreads, flowers, anything else that you want to add to it. Don't forget your scissors, wire cutters, and a hot glue gun. So let's get started. Alright, so first I'd like to decide exactly where I want to put all the flowers before I start gluing them down. And I want to cluster them towards the bottom, I believe. And I want to make sure the leaves are showing. So I believe this is how I want them. So I'm just going to trim the stems a little bit. So to make sure the leaves are nice and secure, I'm going to just add a touch of glue, just like 1 or 2 little drops, and glue the leaves to the petals. So I'm just going to hot glue them all in place, and then I'll add some final touches to it. And I'm just hot gluing the stems, and then if any petals are touching the wreath, I will hot glue those down as well. Now I will let these dry. I cut these off of the large stem, and what I'm going to do is just place them, say like right there, so I can put them in places like that just to add a little more greenery to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I added a few extra leaves just for extra fullness and dimension. You don't have to if you don't like. If you prefer fewer leaves, then definitely go for that. So next I'm going to take the burlap ribbon that's wire edged. So I'm going to cut about 4 or 5 strips, 4 inches long. Once I have the strips cut, I'm going to take the bottom and scrunch it. Just like that. Then hot glue this together. This is what it looks like when it's all glued together. I just scrunched the bottom. This is 4 inches in length. Again, you could make it longer or shorter. You can even ribbon cut the end, but I think this actually looks really cute squared off, so I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to take the part that's glued together, and I'm just going to place it and hot glue it exactly where I want it. I'm actually going to place all of them before I glue it down, just to make sure I like where they are. So this is what it looks like. I used 4 pieces of burlap ribbon. I think that looks good. We have it all glued down. I really like the burlap. I think it just adds a little extra to it and makes it look extra adorable. Now we are going to add the bow to the top. So you just have your wreath, and this is going to go right at the top. Tie it in a knot. And then I'm just going to tie it around the wreath ring. And like I said, for extra security, I like to finish it off with like a dot of hot glue. Has a nice poofy bow on the top. And the pretty flowers at the bottom. And you can change this up as much as you'd like to make it fit any occasion or event. It's very simple but very cute.